Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have what you need: a clear avatar, concise bio, and a few genuine interests. First, join 3 servers that match those interests and observe active channels for 5 to 10 minutes. Once you spot an ongoing thread, introduce yourself with a one-sentence hook referencing the topic and ask a specific, easy-to-answer question. This gets responses fast. Make sure to use the server's intro or welcome channel if available. Then follow up on any replies within 24 hours. You've got replies. Now build a thread by replying thoughtfully and adding small value. Share a quick tip, a short link, or a relevant image. Once you have 2 to 3 genuine back and forths, ask to continue the chat in DMs with a simple permission line. Mind if we take this to DM? If they say yes, open with context and a friendly tone. Make sure to mirror their energy and response length. This signals compatibility and reduces awkwardness. You're ready to turn casual chats into a real friend. Suggest a short voice hangout, gaming session, or collaborative activity and set a specific time. Once scheduled, be punctual and light. Ask about their day, share a small anecdote, and suggest a repeat plan. If progress stalls, use one friendly check-in after a week. Don't spam. If someone repeatedly ghosted, accept it and reallocate effort to others. This protects your time while keeping options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.